What's up guys, this is Saf and welcome to TechBite. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can downgrade your iOS version. If your phone space is low or your phone is kind of a laggy and it is not working properly or whatever the reason is, if you wanted to downgrade your iPhone, then you can use my this tutorial to downgrade your iPhone to the older version. The first software which you are going to need is the iTunes, which I believe most of you are already having it. But if you don't have it, then I will provide you the link in the description below. Second is the website from where you can download the ROM for your Apple device. Since I wanted to downgrade my iPhone, so I'm going to click on iPhone. Next, I'm going to choose iPhone 5s GSM version. So now next there is only one firmware version which Apple is signing it right now. So I have to download that only. Now there is one more important information which I wanted to share it with all of you, and that is there is no way you can install the old ROMs, that red color one, on your Apple devices no matter which tutorial or website you use. So only go for the green ones which you see it on this website. So anyways, I have started the downloading process and this will take around 2 to 5 minutes to complete. So I'm going to stop the recording for a while. The IPSW file has been downloaded successfully. So now I'm going to move this IPSW file to my desktop. So now I'm going to plug my iPhone to the computer and iTunes will start automatically. Then I would suggest you to take backup of your iPhone. I'm not doing this since I already have backed up everything on my iCloud. So I'm going to skip this process. But you can take backup of your iPhone before going for the next step. Next I'm going to turn off Find My iPhone setting, and to do that, first go to the settings, then click on your name at the top. Now at the bottom, just click on Sign Out and this will turn off your Find My iPhone function. After this, I'm going to put my phone in DFU mode, and to do that, keep on pressing the power button and home button for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, release the power button and keep on pressing the home button. After few seconds, your phone will get into the DFU mode. Once your phone gets into the DFU mode, then you will get this warning. To install the ROM manually on my iPhone, I have to keep on pressing the shift button and click on restore iPhone, and from there I can choose the ROM which I have downloaded recently and kept it on the desktop. So now it is showing me warning that everything will be erased once I start the restore process. So always take backup before you take the next step. I already have backed up everything on my iCloud, so I can start this process. Now this will take around 5 to 10 minutes to restore iPhone, so we just have to wait until it's completed. Now just disconnect your iPhone from the computer and you can configure it now.